In this video, we're going to talk about the Traxxas EZ-Peak Live Dual Charger. Guys, I got this for my Traxxas Xmaxx, and as you can see, I'm showing you now I'm charging two 4S lipos. It's really simple to use. You plug them in, the thing will know exactly what they are. You just select store, fast or balance. These are two balance charged, and then you hold down the start button, off you go. It's that simple. On the side of them are two great big fans. They're a bit noisy, but they're there to keep the thing cool after all, there's a lot of power going through it. On this side, there's also the Bluetooth part where you just hold down there, it connects to your phone, and then you can run the app, which I'm going to show you in a minute. This is the balance port, pull that cover off. There's balance ports on this side, there's balance ports on the other side, and a USB. The balance ports if you're not running a Traxxas battery. Okay guys, all you do, like I said, both sides are the same on controls, store, fast or balance, battery type, lipo, and that's it. It's great. It's the simplest charger in the world. Here's over to the app. On the left-hand side, it's ID'd exactly what the battery is already. It even knows the Traxxas part number. It knows the 25C rating. It knows the cell counts for. It knows the capacity of the battery. It knows what charge you're doing. Look, balance. On the other side, it's showing you the progress, basically. 25 minutes left, 28% charging progress. And the bottom part's the power. Now, guys, don't worry about the power. This number will keep going up. It's like pouring a glass of water. You start off slow, then you whack the tap down, and then at the end, you just do a little trickle to top it up. It's exactly the same as what it's doing. So starts off slow, then it whacks the power down, and at the end, it will go to like a trickle charge just to balance the cells off. And then basically it sings a nice little song. Your battery's done. And if one battery just charges before the other, that's completely normal, guys. Don't freak out. You must keep the other battery on until it tells you. The machine will tell you, it will sing another song, and it will let you know it's charged. Then just unplug them both. But one thing I have noticed is once it's finished charging, it stops charging that battery. But I still like to go in and just unplug it. I'm a bit of a safety. But what I will say, guys, is that this app's brilliant. You can just keep an eye on your batteries wherever you are. I highly recommend you download this app. I highly recommend you get these chargers. You don't want to mess around with such an expensive piece of equipment. This is great. Get one. Please like and subscribe. Take care, guys.